Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can apply a texturizer effect to images and pictures you insert into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations in 2026. Like I did, for example, for that logo or image here. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, there's that texturizer effect I applied to that image and makes the image look like, I don't know, like clothes or something like that material, like textures. So if you'd like to apply that effect to a logo or image, insert the image first by navigating to Insert, select Pictures, this device or any other source that are available here. Locate the file on your device and add it to your slide. After that, click into your image, navigate to Picture Format and select Artistic Effects under Adjust. And from that menu, guys, navigate to the Texturizer effect. Let me find it really quick. There it is, Texturizer. So select it, and there it is. So if I, for example, zoom in, you will see these textures here. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.